In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a Visa gift card to your Apple Wallet or Apple Pay. So what we want to do is just load up the wallet app here. And the second step is going to be clicking on the plus sign here found in the top right corner. After we have clicked on the plus sign, you will be able to see an option here called debit or credit card. So we just want to select that. And from here, you will be able to choose your bank. So depending on which bank you have your Visa card issued from, and you can choose it from here. You can also search for Visa if you have a separate option for Visa here. But for example, I'll use this bank. We're just going to click on continue here, and it's going to ask us to position the card and scan the card, or we can enter the card details manually. So we will input the name as well as the card number, and this is going to add a Visa gift card to Apple Pay or to our Apple Wallet. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.